Hmm?
Hello everyone, my name is Anna. Today I'm reading a book, Tom Hicker.
Yes.
Tom Hicker. And today is a big surprise. A cover wish.
Come.
Come wish. And sing on television. Hack, hack, hack. Oh no, I can't sing. I have hiccup. My mother get all scared. Surprise! Hey, hey. But don't still have hiccups. Put your finger in your ears. Heck, but don't still have hiccups. Example, nice lemon. Heck, but don't still have hiccups. The nurse gets on a glass of water. Drink it upside down. The hiccups go. She is happy. She combs her hair. The music plays. She sings her song. I live in a city and I have a giraffe. We live in a big little cave. I drive him to school very young. The only and laugh acting like a love. It's beautiful. Around shout and cheers. Goodbye.